Good morning. Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, as you can tell. And today I have a project share using these dies, and I'm not going to put these dies up. I'm going to keep them close by because I think I can use them with my junk journaling and just everyday use. My daughter's already grabbed some, and these can be used so much. They are bookmarks. There's 4 different ones, and they're bookmarks, and they are from Anna Griffin, and they're just called bookmarks, and they're new. Um, I have learned as I made these to use cardstock and to double the cardstock, and I should have, when I folded it, I should have had the images on both sides. So I have made a few mistakes, and now I know better. So let's go over them. I'll show you this one because you fold it and then the rest are pretty simple. So this is what they look like. And they go in a corner of they go in the corner. So this could be the bookmark in the corner of your page, just like that. Is that not so pretty? This one matches a junk journal that I made, and it matches all the pages, and that's what it is turned over. If I had this one, because you fold it, you do not need to double the paper, double the cardstock, because it's already really good. It's the other ones. But if I would have printed on that side, it wouldn't have been white. So in here is, this has got polka dotted blue, and then I found a blue of Anna's to match, and a flower there. But isn't that a beautiful bookmark? And then here is the last bookmark. Isn't that beautiful? So this has got checkered pink. I was just pulling out of my stash, and then pulled metallic from Anna and a sticker of hers. So those are those 3, and that's what it looks like. So the rest of them is a little different. I'll show you. So here are regular bookmarks. It's this one, and I used the centerpiece on 3 of them, but you can see on the back I probably should have used a different pattern on the back. This also does not need to have double cardstock, because once you use this and this, it gets quite heavy. So these fronts metallics are Anna's, these are her stickers. The papers on the back are not. Just wanted to be up front with you, but isn't it gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. So this one is from Modernistic Print Shop, and she had it as a bookmark, and I folded it over, and it's double carded, and it's just as heavy as this one, because I didn't use this. I wanted to use the image, and you can see it's got some good weight to it, you know, and it feels like a bookmark. So these 2, the butterflies that I want to show you, the bookmarks, this is where I'm saying you need to use double cardstock because they're so thin. And I should have used images on the back, and then I should go back and at least cut out more butterflies. And all you do is take this butterfly and put it on the edge of it and just trim it around and fit it to that. But I think I should at least, because when you turn the page, at least have the butterfly the same color as the front. So I will go back. This matches a junk journal I'm working on, but I will go back and add the butterflies on the back side. So how you do it is you stick it like that, and there is your bookmark, and it really does work. And then when you flip it over, see how you would see it, but at least I can at least put the butterfly here, is what I'm saying. So those are some issues. Like this is so thin right here, you know, this is so wobbly. but that's why I want to use double cardstock on these. So there's the butterflies. And then here are the teacups. And the teacups are made the same way as the butterflies. And this one matches a junk journal that I'm working on. And I'm going to go ahead and make, at least make the cups not be white. I'm going to go ahead and redo these or add to it. So, but this one is double. And I can feel it, and it's not as fly away as, let's see, which one isn't? This one. This one is just boink, boink, boink. This one is stiffer, so that's maybe the word I should be using. But you just use it the same way as you stick it like that, and it folds down. And then when you turn the page, I'm going to use double cardstock from now on and cover that up. So yeah, so this is some ideas for you, or saying, wow, at least I know not to do what she just did. But there is my bookmarks, and you know what, anyone and everyone, you can put these in a card, happy mail. This can fit, you know, you go into the hospital and you're taking someone a magazine or a book, just make a whole bunch of these, and it can really, I mean, they go fast, they're fun to make. They just use your scrap paper. It doesn't take a lot on all these, all the metallic papers. I just use my scraps on all of them. I didn't even pull out a new sheet. So guys, these are my favorite. I think actually just this one's my favorite, that has the roses and you can see through it. It's almost like a doily. So guys, I love this. I think if you are a junk journal person, you probably want to buy this set. And there is a mosquito in here. You probably want to buy this set because you would probably use it quite often. So anyway, there is my project share, and I hope you like it. All my links will be down below. Have a blessed day.